Pringles. More than just a snack, it's a revolution in a can. Since debuting in 1968, Pringles have redefined the snack aisle with their signature saddle shape and iconic cylindrical packaging. Today, they rake in a staggering $3 billion annually. The genius behind this snacking marvel was Frederick Baur, a chemist at Procter & Gamble. His mission? Solve the age-old complaints about traditional potato chips, too greasy, easily broken, and half-filled bags packed with more air than chips. Frederick envisioned a chip that would stay fresh, hold its shape, and come in a package both practical and stylish. The result? A snack sensation. Pringles chips remain crispy and intact, neatly stacked until the very last crunch. Initially marketed as Pringles' newfangled potato chips, their unique appeal drew attention, and some scrutiny. It turns out calling them potato chips wasn't entirely accurate. With only about 42% dehydrated potato flakes in the mix, the rest of the ingredients include rice flour, wheat starch, and other components. In 1975, the FDA required a rebranding, so potato chips became potato crisps. While it cleared up the label in the US, it caused some confusion in the UK, where potato chips are traditionally known as crisps. But what exactly goes into a Pringle? Let's lift the lid and uncover the fascinating process of turning humble potato flakes into the poppable phenomenon we all know and love. The journey begins with high-quality potatoes arriving at the factory. These spuds are whisked onto a conveyor belt and sent straight to the washing station. Here they take a soak in a hydro washer where jets of water agitate and remove dirt and debris. Now squeaky clean, the potatoes are prepped for peeling. In a giant rotating drum lined with rough surfaces, the potatoes tumble and spin as the drum gently rubs away their skins, ensuring a silky smooth texture for the chips ahead. Before slicing, the potatoes take a quick dip in a blanching bath. This hot water bath softens the spuds for a smooth cut and inactivates enzymes that could alter the chip's taste and color. Next, up slicing and dicing. A high-speed machine spins the potatoes into position, cutting them into strips and then cubes in the blink of an eye. These cubes are then cooked in boiling water at 185 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 minutes to keep them firm before moving to the steam cooker, which operates at a scorching 345 degrees Fahrenheit. Once perfectly cooked, the potatoes are mashed into a smooth, lump-free consistency. This creamy mash undergoes a drying process where it's spread onto a rotating drum, dried and turned into pliable sheets. These sheets are then milled into fine potato flakes, the building blocks of every Pringle. The flakes are mixed with other ingredients, including rice flour, cornstarch, and seasonings, creating a unique dough. This mixture is spread evenly, pressed into thin sheets and cut into the iconic oval shape, a playful nickname at the factory, Doyle's. The ovals head to the fryer, where a roller molds them into their signature saddle shape, also known as a hyperbolic paraboloid. Cooked in hot oil at 392 degrees Fahrenheit for just 11 seconds, the chips emerge golden, crisp, and ready for seasoning. Pringles are then coated in delicious flavorings from classic sour cream and onion to tangy barbecue. Over 5,952 pounds of spices are used daily to create their extensive range of 160 flavors. Finally, the perfectly stacked chips are measured, weighed, and packed into their iconic canisters. Automated machines seal them tight to lock in freshness, ensuring every bite delivers that signature crunch. Before shipping, each batch undergoes rigorous quality control, including blind taste tests under red lighting to focus purely on flavor. And there you have it, the extraordinary journey of a Pringle from potato to perfection in a can. So, what's your favorite Pringles flavor? Share in the comments and see who shares your taste.